Note 4 is for the administrative expenses, sometimes called general and administrative expenses, while Note 5 is for the distribution cost. Note 6 is for finance cost, which is the interest and other charges incurred in connection with borrowing funds. Distribution costs are those expenses which are directly related to the sale or to the selling of goods. Hence, it is also known as selling expenses. So, the store space rental is one of the distribution costs because store is the place where entities sell their goods or merchandise. Of course, the rental of office space is not a distribution cost, but part of administrative expenses in note number 4. The salaries and wages of office or administrative employees are considered administrative expenses, but the salaries and wages of store employees are distribution costs. Similarly, all other expenses of and in the store like utilities, telephone, supplies, depreciation, and even insurance should be presented as distribution cost, while those expenses incurred in the office or for the purpose of administering or managing should be part of administrative expenses. All operating expenses not related to the selling function of the business and to cost of goods sold are normally included in administrative expenses. As for the bad debts or doubtful accounts or uncollectible accounts expense, the classification depends on who is in charge of granting credit to customers or of accounts receivable collection. If the sales manager is, then doubtful accounts should be part of distribution cost. But if the mentioned responsibilities are performed by another officer other than the sales manager, then it should be considered as an administrative expense. If the problem is silent, doubtful accounts should be classified as an administrative expense. Advertising expenses are incurred for the purpose of increasing sales, and so should be part of distribution cost. Same thing with sales commissions. Freight out, unlike freight in, should not be part of the computation of cost of goods sold or cost of sales, but as distribution costs.